Today, we're taking a look at NewBeeDrone's brand new connector, the NX69. It's very similar to the classic PH 2.0, but it's redesigned for a little bit more punch and reliability. When you get one of these boxes, you're going to be getting 4 batteries and a new NX69 connector, as you can see here. The connector looks very similar to the PH 2.0, except if you notice the prongs, they're much longer and flatter. The NX69 battery is designed for 1S 65mm whoops and is rated at 300 mAh. The NX69 battery looks very similar to the PH 2.0, but when you take a look at the PH 2.0 plug, you can notice that the pins on the PH 2.0 are much skinnier, which provide much less contact to the battery. One other distinct difference that you notice on PH 2.0 batteries is that large ridge in the middle. The PH 2.0 batteries weigh in at 8.34 grams. While the NX69 batteries come in at 8.48 grams. If we take a closer look at both connections, you'll notice the NX69 sports flatter, longer pins compared to a PH 2.0 plug. It also has a flatter face when seated in the connector, which gives it more solid contact. The good news is the NX69 is fully compatible with PH 2.0 plugs, but keep in mind, the reverse is not true. PH 2.0 batteries will not fit into an NX69 connector. Out in the air, I did some quick punch outs to see how fast I could hit max RPM and to see if I could feel for any sag. Honestly, I was pretty surprised. The whip felt fairly strong in the straights and very responsive in quick maneuvers. You can see over here when I do a power loop, we're able to control it relatively well, especially when we're chicaning and moving around Yuki. I was very pleasantly surprised. I haven't tested the NX69 setup on a full racetrack yet, but I've got high hopes. If it handles tight technical tracks as well as it does open punch-outs, this could be a really solid option for 65mm whoop racing.